The biggest reason not to buy a typical hot tub would have to be the cost of owning it. By the time you consider the fact that they've sold you a control system that's almost unrepairable and cost a fortune to keep it up and running, they've sold you a filtering system that's so proprietary that you have to buy it from them and they can charge you anything that they want. And they've created a hot tub that turns off for all but 8 hours a day, and you're going to get plowed with costs of chemicals trying to keep the thing from not smelling like somebody died in it. It's totally justified to say that's too expensive. At any showroom you would ever go to of Royal Spas, we will be able to prove that our hot tubs at Royal Spa cost half of what it costs to own a typical hot tub. That is absolutely the fact. There's no place that you can spend as much money on a hot tub as at our competitors. It's designed to be the gift that keeps on taking. You don't have to spend that kind of money. If you buy a Royal Spa, the tub will cost half as much maintenance, half as much cost, and last 10 times as long.